Hey, excuse the coughing and the cough drop sounds. I am still very sick on like week 3 of having the flu. But I wanted to do a little haul video. Normally I'm kind of opposed to haul videos because I feel like a lot of YouTubers are like, look at all this money I'm spending on these dumb products. But I actually am very frugal and I don't buy new clothing ever if it's just for like my daily life. Like I literally only spend money on costuming and things for photo shoots. So anyways, about 2 weeks ago I was getting into the car and I ripped the entire ass of my jeans that I was wearing because they were like 15 years old. So I finally decided to do some shopping and buy some new clothes. And I wanted to try out this website called Shein or Shein. I don't know, it's a Chinese company. Anyways, they had some pretty cute stuff and it was all really cheap, so I didn't know what I was getting into. But in total, I spent $103 and that was like with shipping and everything. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I got and do some try-ons and let you know what I think about the quality and my experience shopping with them. So let's get started. First off, they sent me 2 separate packages for one order because their distribution centers are like all over the place. So the first package I got was like massively stuffed, and then the second package just had 2 items in it. So anyways, I bought like a ton of stuff. It's crazy that all of this literally came out to $100. Like that's a lot of stuff. So crinkle sounds everywhere. One thing I don't mind spending money on is dresses because they're so versatile. You can wear them casually or for fancy events, and I do a lot of events where I need to dress up. So the first thing I noticed opening the packages was that everything was individually wrapped really nicely, and I appreciate that. So I'll start opening things with you. The first dress that I bought is this little velvet wrap dress. Next up, I have this leopard print dress. This yellowy sundress. This nice floral dress. Any of you that follow me online know that I wear a lot of floral dresses. We have this black pencil skirt, little white blouse, which is actually a really cute pencil skirt. We also have this black blouse, which ties in the front. some black slacks, little cigarette pants. Nice little shirt. I also got this little bodysuit, which looks like a swimsuit, honestly. This swimsuit, which I'm really amazed by the quality of. It's very, very well made. Along with some glasses, which came in a case, so that's pretty cool, considering that I think they were like $4. Very cute. And last but not least, a little bracelet. It is really hard for me to find bracelets that fit me because I have really tiny wrists, so let's see. Pretty cute. It fits me and it's not gonna fall off. That's crazy. So, holy shit, I cannot believe I got all of these things for $100. All in all, I am really pleased and surprised with the quality of all of the items. The size charts on the website were incredibly accurate, everything fits well, shipping was super fast, like just a few days, and all in all, I would give them like a 10 out of 10, which is not what I expected. I expected a bunch of really cheaply made things coming from China, and instead I got a bunch of really well-constructed, good quality things coming from China. So, yay!